What is going on, YouTube? My name's Cam. Today we'll be fixing my front lip on this Mark 7 GTI. And honestly, it's going to be very minimalistic. I don't have a heat gun. I don't have a 90-degree ratchet, like electric ratchet. So I'm using my impact because I don't want to just ratchet out all my bolts holding in the lip. And then since I also don't have, I'm not made out of money, so I picked up this Gorilla Glue epoxy that I'm gonna try and fill in the little chip. It's not even that big. It's really hard to notice as is, but I mean, if you're a car owner, you know how I feel. It hurts. It hurts a lot. But yeah, so I'm gonna be pulling this off today and then filling it in, grinding it down, sanding it down. And hopefully it doesn't look too bad. I might have to go and get some gloss black paint to paint it over, but I think this should be a good easy fix. So stay tuned. What is going on, guys? We're back now. We got the whole thing off. It maybe took 7 minutes with the hair dryer. But now I'm just gonna take the hair dryer and go ahead and get all the rest of the 3M tape that is still on there off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give it a wash, and then we will be back to fill in the chip with epoxy. Gosh, I cannot talk today. But yeah, we'll be right back. This is where we're at right now. I just went ahead and pulled out my little sander that I had down in my basement, and it has like a super high grit. I don't even know what the grittage is on it, but I just used it, pulled everything off because goddamn, it was taking so long. But I only did like the sides that I'm not gonna, like, you cannot see this at all, so I don't care if this is damaged. The rest of it's all nice and clean. So I'm just gonna go throw this in the bathtub and give it a good old washy poo poo. And then yeah, we'll try and fill it in with the epoxy. All right, so I got the lip off. I filled it with this Gorilla Glue epoxy. Sets in 5 minutes, cures in 24. I just put some tape up. I'm hoping, man, I should have put some olive oil on it, so it has like a little layers, like, you know. But I'm hoping that by the time it sets and cures, I'm able just to rip off the tape, and if it comes off with it, you know, I'll just cut it out and re-glue it in and then paint it over. And it should be, honestly, this shit is fucking sweet. I just used this to hold up the back so then it would sit and be pretty flat. And I just have to let it cure for probably 12 more hours. And then I should be able to like sand it all down so it's nice and flush. And it's already flush with this as is, so I don't even have to worry about that. And then I'll just tape it or paint it black. I might even be able to fucking Sharpie this bitch, and you won't even know it's broken. We are back. It's been about a day and some change, and this is where we're at. It's not really where I want to be. I'll probably add some more up, but I just want to color match it and see how far off my girlfriend's nail polish is. So we'll see. Let's see. Oh man, you're kidding me. This actually looks already not bad. So I'm gonna put my phone down I need to get a mount and a camera, or like a tripod at least for my phone, I think, if I'm gonna be making videos like this. But honestly, so far, not bad. Be right back with an update. So we are back with it. I mean, far away. You really can't tell. Especially once we grind this down and make it flush. And this is only one coat as well of the nail polish, which I think I'll just go ahead and take some of her clear coat and just clear coat it just to make sure it's good. But yeah, for $7, really, this is honestly not bad. $7, like, get the fuck out of here. Okay, so it's been about 2 days, and I just went ahead and I filled it in, I painted it. I just used nail polish, and I let the epoxy cure for 2 days, and I painted it. I'm not even gonna clear coat it because, honestly, I'm not buying clear coat for this little piece. And it's plastic, it's not carbon fiber. If anything, I'll just go buy a new one. But yeah, I painted it all over, and then I just took my little hand sander and yeah, I just sanded it, made it flush, flat. It doesn't look that good, but once I get it all cleaned up, wiped up, and waxed, it should look really nice. Okay, so now we kind of have everything lined up, ready to go. I got this thick 3M mounting double-sided tape. It's up to 30 pounds, which is an upgrade to what they give you. Like, they give you this tiny thin shit, which works. It works fine, but you pretty much double it up anyway, so you might as well just go out and spend the 20 bucks and get the mega roll of the thick stuff. It's gonna make doing this a lot easier. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it taped up. I'll probably tape one side, fit that side, put this bucket underneath to hold it up, or take one of the jacks over there and do it that way. But yeah, it's really easy. It's not difficult by any means. And I still don't have a tripod to put you guys in a good angle to see. So we're just gonna lean you up against something and hopefully it works. Okay, so we got one side taped off. I just gotta peel the stickies off of it, and then we're gonna go ahead and mount the one side and probably go ahead and screw this one in. And all right, guys, well, this is the final product. You really cannot tell a difference. There's a spot where the epoxy got wiped over, and you can kind of see that, but it's so vague and barely noticeable. I really could give a rat's ass about it. And yeah, honestly, it looks great. I love it. And for under 30 bucks, I mean, you can't beat it. So, again, as I said in the last video, I'm sorry for my editing skills and video making skills. I am no professional by any means. I'm just a dude at home that likes to work on his car and like do things for cheap that actually work, if they do work, you know. But anyways, thank you for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.